Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Okay. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sure you're wondering what the hell is going on, Onyinye. Celine, what the hell is happening? Why are you going color crazy? Guys, it's makeup. You can play with it, and I just enjoy playing with color. So yes, anyways, if this is your first time stumbling upon my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like, I was checking my analytics the other day, and I found out that a lot of the people that actually watch my videos are not subscribed. Like, guys, why am I that boring? Tell me. Tell me. Okay. So guys, please, I am begging you, don't just watch my videos, please subscribe too, and also drop me a comment. Tell me something. If you notice anything in my videos and you would like me to like adjust or whatever, you can tell me, but do it with some niceness. Don't be rude, okay? It's my channel, it's not your channel. Don't be rude, okay? Very good. So please subscribe. I am begging you, subscribe, join my family. Let's have fun, let's enjoy this YouTube ride together, because hey, why not? Makeup is an expression of life, and I am here to express myself as we're all at home. We're trying to keep ourselves safe and everything. So yes. Anyways, guys, this is today's look for today. Can you say it? Boom. Booyah. Look at all that color in your face. Like, guys, I was in the mood for color today. Like, I wanted to play with two things I wanted to play with today: color and glitter. I haven't played in glitter in forever, so I wanted to play in some glitter and some color today. And usually I like to go to Pinterest to like get some inspiration, because so there are sometimes when you just get like color block. I don't know if that's a particular word, but yeah, you just get a little color block in your head. You're like, which look can I create today? Like, what exactly? Like, when you're just tired of creating the same old plain looks, like you just want to go creative and all that. Yeah, so that is what inspired today's look. I got inspiration from Pinterest by looking at some pictures, and boom, this look was born. So guys, I have proceeded to do this eye, and we would now proceed to do I will proceed to do this other eye for you guys. I know I look like cray right now, but trust me, hopefully by God's grace, when the wig and the change of outfit and the full face of makeup comes together, it will look nice. So do not judge me. Do not start cursing me out like this girl has gone crazy, has gone loco. I have not gone crazy, I have not gone loco. Anyways, this intro is getting too long. Please subscribe, and let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so let's jump into this tutorial. So first off, I've applied my base. I used my my go-to, my Snazero white face paint as my base, because for this look I'm going to be playing with like neon colors throughout. So I needed a white base just to make all the colors pop. So anyways, once that is done, once my white base is applied, I'm just going to go straight into the neon colors. First, I went in with like a lemony green. It's like a yellowish greenish color. Then I went into orange. I went into a pink shade. Sorry, I didn't show you guys the colors, but anyways, I went into a pink eyeshadow shade. Just basically graduating or going into each color. And the key to this look is always to blend each color into each other. Does that make sense? Yes. So as you apply one color, when you apply the next color, make sure you're blending the next color into it, like that. So all the colors just fade into each other seamlessly. So that is basically it for the top part.
Mayor music, music, music.
So once I'm done with that, I'm just going into my micellar water. This is my simple micellar water, and I'm just going to use that to clean up or cut my crease. So I'm not using any foundation, any concealer today to clean my crease. I'm using the micellar water to clean my crease. Once I am done cleaning up that crease and it is looking hella sharp, yes, I'm just going to go into my powder palette right now. So basically my powder palette is going to like even out the color of the eyelid space that you're looking at. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going into my glitter glue. So just apply my glitter glue all over the parts where I applied the powder. Once that is applied, I'm going into my Ada's Atelier glitter. The name has come off of this glitter, so I can't remember the name, but it's like really beautiful. It like looks like sugar crystals, like it's just gorgeous. So I'm just basically going to apply the glitter all over where I place the glitter glue. So now once that glitter is all done, I am going to be doing my eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I don't have, if you have liquid colored eyeliners, you can use that instead, but I don't have, so I am going to be using my the same method I used for the top part. So using my white Snazaro face paint, I'm just going to draw my wing. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into the same colors that I used on the top part, but the only difference is that I am going in reverse. So you can see that the green ended the top part. So for the bottom part, I am now going in with the green first. So basically everything I did up top, I'm just basically reversing and doing the opposite on the wing liner. So once I'm done with that, this is just going into my face. I think the face is quite self-explanatory. I actually did my foundation and highlight off camera. I did a review of the foundation I used. I'm going to put the link up here, so if you'd like to see the review of the foundation I used for this tutorial, please click the link above. Yeah, so powder, highlights, and contour, you know, everything bobo tibo. So yeah.
Layered music, music, music.
So to finish off my eyes, guys, I'm going into my Paula Beauty eyeliner in green. Once I apply that just strictly on my waterline, I'm just going to go back into those neon eyeshadows. I'm going back into the orange and purple neon eyeshadows, and I'm just going to use that to buff under my waterline. So I'm just setting my face, and yeah, that's the rest of my tutorial. I'm sure it's self-explanatory.
Layered music, music, music.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed me creating this look. I really wanted to express myself and, you know, do something colorful. If you've been following me, you know that I love color, so I'm going to try and be doing more colorful looks on my channel. So if you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and share also. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.